guys, Jacob Coyle here with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the Aquila 36 power catamaran. First thing I'm going to show you are the twin outboard engines available with joystick piloting. If you come on up, we'll take a look at some of the rest of the boat here. If you notice, massive cockpit space. Great for entertaining, plenty of room if you've got some little ones that need to run around here. Plenty of room for pretty much everything you could need. Walk a little further here. If you notice, we got the optional sun top. This boat is equipped with it. Great for those beautiful nights out on the water. Take another step further here. Again, you got your cockpit. We've got the Raymarine unit. Again, joystick piloting, which is going to come with your autopilot. One of the best things about the boats, 2 stateroom, 2 head layout. Identical on both sides. 36-foot boat, 2 stateroom, 2 heads. Make sure you remember that. Come on up to the bow. Plenty more entertainment space. All of these here can convert into full lounges, or you can sit facing each other and enjoy the company again on the whole boat. Again, this is Jacob Coyle with MarineMax Clearwater. If you'd like a private showing, give me a call, 216-410-8559. See you out on the water.